Hey guys, I'm Justin Boggs, the co-founder and chief revenue officer of Marketplace Valet. We have been an Amazon seller since 2006 with over 400,000 reviews as a seller. I'm here to help you learn about Amazon, solve problems, and answer common questions. Today's video is about how to change your Amazon seller central seller name. Yes, you can change it. Let's get into it. Let's talk about how you can change your seller name on Amazon Seller Central. Yes, it's completely possible, and the process is actually pretty straightforward. First, you'll want to log in to Seller Central. Once you're in, head over to the top right-hand corner and click on Settings. From there, select Account Info. You'll then see an option for either your seller profile or store info. Click on that. Now, here's a key step. Make sure you're logged in as the main account admin. Only the admin can make these kinds of changes. Once you're in the right section, just hit Edit under your store details. This is where you can change your display name. It's that simple. However, if you're selling in multiple countries, remember that you'll need to update the name for each country you're operating in. If you run into any issues, I'd be happy to help. Feel free to book an hour with me, and we can get everything squared away. Also, if you're looking to scale your business or launch new products, I specialize in helping wholesalers and manufacturers grow their presence on Amazon, so let's connect if you need support in those areas. If you have any questions, feel free to check us out at marketplacevalet.com. Like and follow us for more helpful Amazon content. Thanks for watching this video.